this part 2 screencast of Microsoft Learning Tools, I'm going to be exploring the use of the translate function within Word and PowerPoint. And I'm also going to show you how you can align this in some cases to the read aloud function within Word itself. So what I'm going to do is hop over to PowerPoint. So here we are in Microsoft PowerPoint, and again it's very standard text about immersive reader. So what I can do here is go up to search and click on translate. Type in translate. So what translate will do is pop up its auto detection translator. So I can highlight this. It'll automatically detect English. I then have a huge number of different languages that I could do. I might stick with Italian in fact, but I could go for Danish. I could go for, enormous number here, Icelandic, sort of a Nordic. I could go for Malay, all kinds of things that I could do. So if I wanted to do this for in Bahasa Malay, I could insert and it translates it, and it's pretty good translation. Having lived in Malaysia myself, it's a pretty good translation. This equally, if I go to Microsoft Word, I can do the similar thing. So I can go to click on up here, I can click on translate. And if I was to click on translate, let's say translate selection, at the moment I've not selected anything. But if I was to do that, then it would have a look. And look, it's remembered the fact that I selected Malay across a different application, across PowerPoint, and it's remembered it. It's quite smart. So here we are, immersive reader. And let's go this time for Italian. I've also lived in Italy. I'm a little more familiar with the Italian written text than I am Malay. So I can now, if I wish to insert this. So now it's been inserted into Microsoft Word on the fly. And again, the use of this within the classroom for pupils who are non-native speakers of English is fantastic. It has enormous numbers of languages. But equally, in some cases, I can use the learning tools. So go to View, and here's my learning tools. And I can do the same thing that I showed in the previous video, which is look at line focus and so on, and that's really nice. But I can also, in certain cases, have it read aloud to me. So if I highlight this here, and I go to View, Learning Tools, Read Aloud, let's see what happens.
Immersive Reader no strumento di accessibilitace per metaglialani di legger più facilmente il testo da soli.
No, I can testify that that is not the world's greatest Italian accent, but it does at least speak a language that's non-English to people who, as I say, might be EAL or non-native speakers of English. Only Microsoft George has the ability to translate. I guess he's more well-traveled than Microsoft Hazel and Susan. But yeah, really powerful facilities here within the learning tools, and I think it really shows you what you can do with something that's free. I think it just requires people to, obviously as usual, to know about these things, but I think it's a really nice tool. Okay, so I've looked at translate within Word and PowerPoint, and I've aligned this to the read aloud function in Microsoft Word. Thank you.